So yeah, everyone, welcome back with first video. I'm back after almost 5 months, and in this video, I will be going to tell you one of the best prompt that can help you to learn YouTube automation. Like suppose you do not have any kind of money, you have zero savings, your bank balance is zero, you have no credits, but you want to learn YouTube automation. So the one thing you should need, you must have the idea that how you can use ChatGPT. So ChatGPT will act as a mentor for us, and it will help us to learn YouTube automation. So first of all, kindly think about these things, that ChatGPT is the only resource available on the internet, and ChatGPT can be helpful for you to learn YouTube automation. Imagine this. So, have you imagined? Let's start the next step. So, the one thing you should do, open ChatGPT and type in, "Hey ChatGPT, my name is Hamad Ali, and I have 0% knowledge." If you have a little bit spelling mistakes, it doesn't matter. It will resolve those mistakes by himself. So we just have to paste our main title, our main idea. It will understand those ideas. So here I'm typing. You will also type like, "Hey ChatGPT, my name is Hamad Ali, and I have 0% knowledge about YouTube automation. And another important thing is that I have $0 credit in my bank balance to do a paid course. I want to learn YouTube automation. I want to earn from it. I have 3 months of target. I want to find a one of the best niche. After that, I want to learn little bit editing and all the process, like how the best websites that can help me to convert audio to text to audio, how to generate script, and from where I can convert text to images, and then all these things, audio, images, and background music and voiceover, how to mix them and adjust with each other, and how to upload on YouTube with proper SEO. After that, how I can create one of the best thumbnail. Like these things, you will input here, and ChatGPT will become to move each and everything. So let me just place those things. So yeah, here I have just placed my prompt here, and ChatGPT is going to provide me full detail. Let's do this from zero to earning with a practical no fluff 3 months plan to cost $0 and gives you a real shot at making money from YouTube automation. So step one is understanding what is YouTube automation. If you have no idea, you will be able to learn from here. It has explained properly about it. You can do everything free using ChatGPT and Perplexity, Pixabay, CapCut, ElevenLabs can work. Number one is define your goal. Like earn first $100 to $300 from YouTube automation within first 3 months. Choose a unique but profitable niche. So here are a lot of niches. It will share with you. You have to choose one that will suit you, the one of the best in which you can edit videos properly. So step three is channel creation. That's channel setup week one, and in week 2 to 3 we will be doing a content system, like a video format, each video 4 to 6 minutes. We will be adjusting our hook, then we will be doing context, then we will be going to what's in the story takeaway. So this is all we are learning from ChatGPT. This step 5 is production pipelines. Like it will be giving us script from ChatGPT, voice from ElevenLabs, video from Pexels, Pixabay, YouTube, editing from CapCut, thumbnail from Canva, and music from YouTube audio library. Step 6 is YouTube and upload and SEO. And step 7 is growth strategy. Step 8 is early monetization, and this is your 3 months roadmap. So basically, overall, the purpose of this short video is that ChatGPT is available and you can learn each and everything about YouTube automation from here. If you want a almost 2 to 3 hours long class in which I will be explaining each step properly without any kind of delay, each and everything in detail, kindly comment on my video. I will be arranging a webinar in upcoming few days. So